Hello, in front of me I've got SJ8 dual screen camera. In this video I'll show you camera preview and how to turn it on and off. In the beginning, let's take a look at the front of the camera. Right here we've got the small screen and the lens. On the side of the camera right here we've got the USB-C power port. Here we've got the large touch screen. Here we've got the power button. On the bottom of the camera we've got the battery and the SD card slot. Here we've got the hook, thanks to which we can install the holder. In the end, on the top of the camera we've got the speaker and recording button. Now let's turn it on. So let's prepare your USB-C cable and plug it to charging port. Let me clean it. Now camera is charging. Let's turn it on by pressing this button. And the camera is on. Thanks to the My Home screen on the camera, we can zoom in, zoom out, go to video playback function, change resolution, change mode, adjust settings of the recorder and go to settings like language, fast boot, date time, format, cloud control, fast record, quick capture and many more. Also right here we've got the indicators of the charging, speaker. I think this indicator is for the G sensor, and this is current mode we've got actually selected. If you tap on the screen, you will clean the HUD. And that's basically it. Of course, right here we've got also SD card slot we have to install, so we want to record any videos. You have to install the SD card like this, facing the battery. Push it until it clicks. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.